The first section of PowerSchool is Grades and Attendance. To view your grades, click on Grades and Attendance HSJHB. Your core classes, electives, your Eagle Forum class, as well as your extracurricular activities will be visible. To view your individual grades for a specific class, click on the visible grade or icon below Semester 1 or Semester 2. All your summatives and formatives will then be visible. Click on the arrow icon to view the breakdown of the grades for a specific summative or formative. The next section is attendance history. In attendance history, you will be able to view all your tardies and absences for each lesson. Next is teacher comments. If a teacher has made comments for a class, you will be able to view them here. You can also select whether you want to view your comments for a quarter or a semester. Next is school bulletin. If there are any special announcements for a specific day, they will appear here. You can also change the date that you want to view the announcements for. Click on the calendar icon and choose it accordingly. Next is class registration. If you have any course requests for the year, they will show up here. You can also view your schedule for every day. To change the week you want to view your schedule for, click on the arrow on the top right or left. Under the School Information tab, you will be able to view brief information about the school, including its address, phone number, and a printable version of the high school map. Under the Documents section, there will be downloadable links for your assessment results as well as your report cards. If you'd like to sign up for an extracurricular activity, click on the CCA tab. It will redirect you to a different website where you'll be able to select your activities that you'd like to join for the year. Lastly, under the report card section, there will be downloadable links for your report cards. There are instructions for printing below. You can also select which semester and which year you would like to download the report card from.